Good.
Is it good? Good question.
Hi guys! We are going to check out the top, or at least what we think are the top chai places in Chennai. No, we are not going to tea caddies because that requires a plan of its own, and we will
have to also taste some terrible tea at tea caddies, so I don't want to do that.
No, I have grown up on tea caddies, so I don't consider them terrible tea at all. But what we are doing right now is we are going to go to these small outlets which have come up.
So 2000s were all about, the coffee culture and cold coffee, cappuccino, latte and all of that. In the recent past, we have seen these really nice tea shops that have come up. All
Exactly.
these chai places which have special chais like your masala chai, ginger tea, green tea, all different variants that they have, which is really, really nice.
And which are small outlets where you can actually sit inside or stand outside and try different types of tea. We are going to be evaluating the same type of tea, meaning probably masala tea or ginger
We'll
tea.
agree upon that.
Yeah.
I don't know whether it's going to be masala chai or ginger tea.
Yeah.
So one of the two, we'll have the same chai in all three places, and we'll see how the taste is, how they're serving it, how crowded these places are.
Yes.
Please subscribe and like our video.
Yes.
Let's get into the
Video, guys.
So we are on the way now to the first place, which is Chai Kings. I think was one of the first few places that came up in Chennai with this concept.
Yeah.
And they have quite a few branches actually all over Chennai. And we are going to the one in T Nagar now. I've not really gone to any of these outlets. I've ordered Chai Kings home. And the way they deliver also is very interesting in the flask.
Rosna is ready to eat her noodle samosa, which is something very new that she's going to try. Does it have noodles inside?
Yeah.
Oh really? Wow. Okay, that's interesting. So definitely chai goes well with snacks. So the value of a chai place is known from the snacks that they keep. We are going to also try and see what are the snacks that each of these places have. How is it? Can you taste the Maggi noodles? Does it taste like noodles? It does. Okay, and it's good. More important thing is how is the chai? We are here for the chai, Musna.
Very, very strong cinnamon fragrance. And it does taste like cinnamon. More like cinnamon, less like cardamom and any of the other spice.
So I'm going to try my ginger tea. So let's see if this is as good as the special tea that we get in tea caddies. It is spicy. It's really spicy. It's a spicy tea. But I think the amount of milk is a little less. It's a little watery.
Unlike the tea kadai teas,
Yeah.
a tea kadai is like only thick milk, right?
Let's try your masala tea also. Masala tea has got a lot of cinnamon in it. Yeah. So now I'm going to enjoy my egg puff. Egg puff is good.
Ginger tea is good, masala chai not so much. Ginger tea, thumbs up. Masala chai. There's too much cinnamon. I don't like cinnamon. Maybe there are people who really enjoy cinnamon.
How would you rate Chai King?
3.5. So the next place that we are going to is called Chai Wale. Have you tried this Chai Wale, Tasif?
No.
I'm guessing it'll have the similar concept, but we will go and see how it tastes. Chai Kings actually was pretty spacious and there were hardly any people there, which was good. So it didn't have like too much crowd or anything over there, which was nice. But they didn't have any sanitizer or anything there where you can just quickly, splash some sanitizer on your hand. It always feels good. Options here in terms of chai.
It's a small, nice little place. So they have the seating area and they have the regular sitting area in the back. So overall, the place is nice. It's a small place, but it's well lit and well maintained.
It's good.
Is this elaichi or is it ginger?
It's light.
Elaichi. How is it?
It's good.
Yeah.
It's mild elaichi flavor. It's not very strong. And
Yeah.
the ginger chai is also mild.
Is it good?
Is it good? Good question.
So guys, I think we have made up our minds after a lot of deliberation and multiple sips of tea. I think the elaichi tea is pretty decent.
Yeah.
The ginger tea, not so much.
Actually, both the flavors are a little on the lighter side. The chai itself is light. It's not strong
It's light.
tea.
But the elaichi has a distinct flavor of elaichi, which I think is a little bit more flavorful than the ginger tea.
Depends on your taste buds, right? Like, do you like strong chai? Do you like light chai? Some people like it light. Some people like it strong.
Yeah.
So I think Chai Kings is very strong chai.
Chai wale is a little bit more on the lighter side, but the elaichi tea is definitely a much better choice than the ginger tea.
So will they make it stronger if we ask them to?
No, I think it's already made. They actually have ready-made tea. So basically, they press a button and they pour out the tea for you. The ambience and the space that you have around Chai Wale is much better than Chai King. Chai King, at least this location, yeah. But this is a good location. The T Nagar Chai Wale has an amazing spot.
We are almost at the third place that we are going to, which is called 90 ml. Tasi, so does this have many branches in Chennai?
No, I think this is one of those few places.
One exclusive, standalone. This is in Mahalingapuram. We have been to 90 ml before. It's been around for like a good 3-4 years. Let's go and check that out now.
Has ordered for a chocolate eclair.
Oh my god. This is
It's good?
loaded with chocolate.
You like it?
Love for chocolate.
Generally, the number of food items like donuts and cakes and chocolate eclairs is a lot more in 90 ml than any of the other places that we've seen. So overall, I have a very good vibe here. I think it's a nice place. The seating area is amazing. Rita is really loving the chocolate eclair, and she's going to eat the whole thing. She's not leaving anything for me. She's got nothing to say. It's a decent ginger tea. I'm going to try the 90 ml now, the specialty from 90 ml. Okay, so this is very similar to the tea that we make at home. The good thing is it's loaded with milk, exactly like how we would like it at home. And that's a defining characteristic of this chai. Definitely 90 ml chai is, I think, a league apart.
I like this. Regular chai is very nice. The ginger tea is also good actually. The ginger tea was the most common element out of all three places. So the Chai King, the ginger tea was really strong. Like the ginger flavor was really strong. At Chai Wale, it was very light, and this place is like just perfect. I don't know how that order always happens, but that's how it happened again.
So that's the video, guys. We are outside 90 ml, and frankly, we have had the best chai of the evening here. Overall, when you have to give a rating, I would say Chai Wale comes at a number 2. Chai Wale has a nice ambience, decent chai, a little mild. Chai Kings would come at number 3. The place, I mean, at least the location we went to was not a great location, and the chai was alright. Chai was
Very
alright.
strong actually.
Yeah.
Very strong. Extremely strong.
And at number 1 is 90 ml. It's the place where we enjoyed the most. We love the tea, we love the eclairs. They have a good variety of food apart
And
from
we
the chai.
also like the ambience because it's got like this really nice outdoor feel to it. So especially during the times, you know, it's really nice to have an outdoor seating at a chai place. I mean, that's what I can think of, you know. Chai place should be an outdoor seating. It can't be like an indoor space.
Exactly. Overall, guys, 90 ml is the place to check out.
This is in Mahalingapuram.
Yeah. You can also check out Chai Wale. I really like the location in T Nagar. It's a nice place.
And Chai Kings are also good for people who like it really strong.
Yes.
So that's it for the video, and hope you liked the video, and please like, share and subscribe.
See you. Bye.